So you're a meticulous product manager. You want to be careful when you are releasing something to your customers, and you don't want to risk to do a release to many people that potentially can be affected by something that maybe they don't know how to use, and you want to control a little bit the way that you're releasing a new feature. So you decide to go and do an A/B testing. So you plan carefully who are going to be the customers or the geographies or the different type of user personas, however you define a user persona. It can be age, it can be industry, it can be many different things, depends on if you're a B2B or if you're a B2C company. But once you have defined what is the criteria for your A/B testing, what you will do is that you will have a testing period where you release this feature to only a small amount of your users, and not even potentially all of those that fulfill the user persona criteria, but maybe just a small percentage of those ones. It again depends on the company policy. So now it's great. You run your analytics, you make sure that you see the behavior of the users, see that they actually get to engage with this new feature and actually they go and get value out of it. You potentially are going to have some interviews with certain customers that you know and that you understand better, and try to see how they behave or they actually receive this feature. This can be done as interviews, it can be done as surveys. There's different ways of trying to gauge to understand the feedback that they are giving towards this new feature. So the feedback is good. It has been some time for the A/B testing to be complete and make sure that it actually is safe to release this feature to everybody else. So you decide to go ahead and roll out this feature to everybody. Now again, you have two alternatives. You have published your feature, everything is good, then we are done at this point. Yes, we will get feedback in the future, we will handle that when it comes, then you can go to the summary. Or you actually have published this feature, and even before publishing this feature, you have thought about what are the success metrics for my feature. How am I going to measure that this feature is adopted by a wider audience? This might be similar metrics to the ones that you have used during your A/B testing. If you decide to do so, click on this other video.